Hi, this is Glyn from GJ Diary. This is a very short video. So we've got a hot tub, and this is the actual fuse. The hot tub stopped working, and when the hot tub stopped working, literally just decided to have a quick look at the fuse. Took this off, and this is what I found. Look at the state of that. I don't know if that can focus. That's 13 volt fuse, which is just completely shot. Let me just bear with me a minute. Put that on the floor. Here's the fuse. Look at the state of that. What a beauty that is. So yeah, with a bit of luck, clean up the contacts, put a new fuse in. Hopefully our hot tub will start up again. Okay, so here's the contacts. Apologies about this, it's literally on my knee as I'm doing it. As you can see there on the right hand side, it's actually melted a little bit of plastic, and that was the burning smell that I could smell. But yeah, I'm going to put a new fuse in, and hopefully this will fire up back in a mo. Okay, here's the proof in the pudding, as they say. Plugged it in, and yeah, it's fired up. So I will be checking the fuse a little bit more regularly, because it's on an outdoor socket in there, but I'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, that's all it was, literally. Cool. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.